rheumatoid arthritis is another very major cause for joint pain. And because it's an autoimmune disease, it can also occur to relatively younger people. And people today are very easily exposed to environmental pollution or toxins from instant food and fast food. And we all live a very stressful life, so these all influences our immune system, and it can cause immune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis.
I mean,
The high heels can influence your knees, but it's not just that, because it burdens your Achilles tendons very much, so it makes you vulnerable to spraining your ankles.
That's a possibility.
And also, it's hard to keep your balance, so you can sprain your hip joints or your back also. And also, the posture, it twists your pelvis, so it can influence the nearby organs such as the uterus or the bladder, and also it can influence the whole spine. So it can result in numerous neurological or circulation problems also. People don't think of the injury very seriously, so if their pain gets reduces, then they don't go to the hospital and they don't treat for it. So, as a Korean medicine doctor, I would say acupuncture would be your first option. If you break your bones or rupture your ligaments very seriously, that would be another story. But as long as you don't break your bones and you don't need a cast, acupuncture can sedate the pain, also minimize the bruising or inflammations, and also speed up the recovery. Knee joint problems are initially resulted from overweight, so you will have to strengthen your muscles and also lose your weight. So in Korean medicine, we use acupuncture or bee venom to sedate the pain and minimize the swelling or inflammations. And then we use the embedding therapy, where we embed surgical threads into the muscle fibers so we can strengthen the muscles so that the joints can bear your weight.
Now, this is when you actually have the degenerative problem
Yes.
where your cartilage in between the bones are degenerating,
Yes.
basically. Okay.
I'm not an OP.
Always?
Thank you.
Thank you.